Inventory continues to shrink in Annapolis, and the number of sales are slow, likely due to the weather. It's Friday, January 24th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Active listings have been offered for sale at a median 70 days, and 38.6% have reduced their sales price. There are only 4 homes that have been on the market over a year with and without pricing adjustments. Meanwhile, the Annapolis inventory for sale dropped again this week to 101. 18 properties are coming soon. 25 homes went under contract in 16 days this past week. 13 homes sold for 98.3% list to sold ratio in 14 days. Rentals are at 40 homes priced at $2,875 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, January 24th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.